take your sheet of paper and fold it the long way just once and make that crease. And then unfold it and take your ruler, and you don't always use the short end of the ruler, but today we will, and just put that along the crease, and take your marker or your pen and mark the two ends of the ruler just with a dot. That definitely does not need to be too precise. And then what you do is you turn your ruler so that the long edge is lined up with those two dots, and you draw a line, but you don't draw the line along the long edge, you draw it along the short edge, like this. And then you just take your ruler and you rotate it so that it still is on one of those points, and the other end is at one end of the line you just drew. And again, you draw a line along the short edge of the ruler. And then you take your ruler and you rotate it again so that it's along the point from the very beginning and the end of the line you just drew. And again, you draw a line along the short edge of the ruler. And you rotate. And the ruler's along the original point and the point at the end of the line you just drew. You draw another short line. You rotate and you draw another short line. Rotate and another short line. So back at the beginning, you drew 2 points when you put the ruler right here in the first place. And one of those points is where the spiral starts, right here. And the other of those points is the one that the ruler, right here, is always rotating around. And so if you want to keep the spiral going, you put the ruler on that second point and the other end wherever the spiral stops so far, and just keep on drawing new segments like this. So that's a pretty simple spiral.